Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Khynnah football ka Jylla kalami banlet cha Kerala nakabanta ban penkre ya ka Ïakhun hakawat ka bakhadu ni ka final round jong ka 75th Santosh Trophy National Football Championship kaban long mentau banai yayong. Hakani ka kenti ka Meghalaya ka baladan haka group A kan Ïakhun nengkong Persha ya ka Rajasthan haka khat prataring kumju ya ka Kerala haka arpau taring ya ka West Bengal haka arpau artaring bat ya ka Punjab haka arpau sautaring. Kani ka Khynnah balayalam de coach uba Bobby El Nongben kalami na Guwahati haka sengi baar hadien bakalayo ban penkre ya ka jingkilan met kumbalay sengi kumbakalong menta ka Meghalaya kaladu ya katu kani ki Rangïalehkai bakensai kibalaya don benta haka North East Zone nakadaw bakilalet ya sono shaki club Ïakhun I-League Henry kalapenrong ya katu kani ki Rangïalehkai ki badang Khynnah bat kalakmi lenti bakin Ïakhun bha nakabanta ban kenjo shakathong jong ka jingjong.
At the onset, I would like to thank the MFA for the support and assistance they have provided during this preparation for the final round of the Santosh Trophy to be held in Kerala. Looking forward for a better performance this year, and we have a young team, and I believe the boys will put all efforts, and I'm positive that the squad will do something different. Looking at their efforts on the ground, I believed this time around we will surely make a difference. A lot of mixed emotions were there during the preparation when many of the senior players backed out of the participation because of their official responsibilities and I-League duties to which they cannot avoid. So in that, for that instance, I can understand. As many as 7 to 8 boys could not make it, and I felt a little bit of I was a little bit tense when this thing happened, but then we had enough time and a lot of players around, which we could set the team and prepare, and and I believe, according to me, the team is even more promising and eager to perform. Now, looking forward, looking ahead, if the boys exhibit in the way we have trained, I believe there will be no problem for us to deliver in this tournament. We will take one match at a time and plan and play with effectiveness and try to get as much points as possible from every match. With these few words, I wish our team, to perform well in this tournament, and I hope that you will be supporting us from all sides. God bless us. God bless Meghalaya. Thank you.